Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken liver fry. It's a very simple dish with very few ingredients but tastes absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Right, so we're going to start by heating a pan up and adding our oil. And once your oil is hot, you're going to add your onions. And we're going to saute our onions till they turn translucent. Once they're translucent, you're going to add your chilies and just mix that through for a couple of minutes. We can now add our ginger and garlic paste in. And just mix that through nicely. We've got quite a bit of ginger and garlic in this recipe, so we're going to saute that through nicely for a few minutes till the ginger and garlic releases its beautiful aroma. Once the ginger and garlic are done, it's time for the turmeric to go in, your paprika, and we're going to mix those spices through, making sure that they cook nicely but they don't burn. So it takes about a couple of minutes. Once your spices are cooked, it's time now for the chicken liver to go in. We're going to mix that through nicely with all the spices. So we're going to fry this liver nicely till it turns nice and brown. You can now add the salt to your taste. We're going to stir that salt through nicely and fry our meat till there's no more pink bits left. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and this is looking good. So we're going to add about a cup of water to this. Mix the water through nicely. We're going to put the lid on and let that cook for about 10 minutes and then come back and check in 10 minutes. 10 minutes are up, so we're just going to take the lid off and have a look. This is looking good. Give it a good stir. Now we do have to check the meat because you can overcook liver or undercook it. So just take a bit out, cut it in half and check. Adjust all your seasoning, and the liver just needs a little bit more longer. So you want to make sure when you cut it it's not pink or it's not overcooked and gets too rubbery. So this needs another 10 minutes. So we put the lid on and cook this for another 10 minutes. Okay, this is looking lovely. So it looks like our liver is done, but we just need to dry all this gravy up. So keep stirring it through without the lid on. Stir it for a few minutes till the water all dries up. This is a very dry dish, so we want to dry all those juices up. It's been a couple of minutes and I'm happy with the way this is looking now. It's all perfect. There you have it, beautiful, delicious liver fry. Give it a try and would love to hear your comments and see you in the next video.